Sharon here. Long time no see. Justin has been actually doing all the update videos, so this time he said it's my turn to do this one. As you can see around here, we did a big round of cleanup after we finished most of the electrical and plumbing rough-in work. Now, that work is 90% wrapped up. We're actually gearing towards the finishing touch of the house. Before we begin, we upgraded ourselves to a 12-inch Bosch compound miter saw. This is really a dream piece for me compared to the 10-inch rigid we have. As you can see here, what's special about this saw is that the space behind needs zero clearance. That's very different from most of the compound miter saw that has the two arms that extends out. So I really like that design because that means that when we have our future shop, I can potentially push this a little bit closer to the wall if needed. Now, since we're setting up this workstation in the house, we also bought this really versatile work stand to go with the saw. What's special about this one? Well, it has some wheels in the back, so that's super cool. But what's really special about it is that this table can actually flip around to hide this under the table, and you have a work surface above it. Now on the sides, it also has these wing outs with an adjustable height stand that can support all the wood pieces that we will be cutting. So that's super cool, and it's a lot more stable than the DeWalt mobile stand that we had. In addition to that, we also bought this little gadget to support the super long pieces. So I'm really excited about this setup, but what's really cool about this one that's different from our previous setup is that we didn't have this dust hood. Since we're doing everything inside, we figured we really want a good dust collection system. So this dust hood hopefully will catch most of the debris from behind the saw, and we have it connected here down to our little shop vac. And this shop vac is connected to the automatic switch so that when we turn on the miter saw, it will be switched on also to collect all the dust that goes through the hood. So we're really excited to get started on this phase. This is my dream setup that seriously sparks a lot of joy. Now with that, we have the wood materials that we've been staging up here. Now all these are just, well, they're rough cut cedar. They're actually our lumber supplier re-sawn it for us, so it has a little bit smoother texture than your rough cut lumber, but it still has a very rustic, rough re-sawn finish to it. These are a mix of 4x6s and 4x4s. We will be installing them as decorative beams around the house. Now they're not structural, but we did have our engineers account for them when they were doing the truss design, so we know that we can safely attach them to our wood trusses. Now in addition to that, we also have these tongue and groove shiplap planks. We plan to install them in the bedroom where we intend for the mood to be a little bit more, I guess, moody and woody is the way I would describe it. And the rest of the house will actually have a plastered white finish look. Hopefully that will bring a little bit of that old school historical charm into our otherwise pretty modernly designed house. So that's about it for the update. We hope you like it, and hopefully we'll have something more to show you soon.